Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we have something special. April is Autism Awareness Month, and we have a special guest chef actually, Julian. Say hi, Julian.
Hi everyone.
So Julian is on a spectrum. He is a very, very close friend of mine's son. So I've known Julian for a long time. Julian actually does take classes at a local vocational school for cooking, so he enjoys cooking. And so today he's going to help me cook, if that sounds good. So, Julian, do you want to say hello to your mom and your brother?
Hi Mom. Hi Jordan.
Very good, very good. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Okay, so that works because today we're going to make some pizza rolls. Very, very easy. So I opened up just a tube of Crescent rolls, and I have 2 tubes of Crescent rolls here. I have some Marinara sauce, I have some mozzarella cheese, and just a little bit of flour. So these are really, really super easy to make. If you want to put other things, you want to put some vegetables or other things inside, by all means. Julian's trying to be vegetarian, so there's no meat inside. So we're just going to keep it very, very simple. And we're going to work on this together. I'm going to show you how to do one. I'm just going to put just a little bit of flour down, just so it doesn't stick. And we don't want to roll it too much. We're just going to roll it a little bit. Okay? Do you want to roll or do you want a sauce and cheese?
I can roll.
Okay. So you're going to put a little bit of flour down. And go ahead. One more time. That's pretty good. Okay. And while you're working on that, always put a little bit of flour down so it doesn't stick. Then we'll put a little bit of flour on top. And while you're working on rolling, I'm going to put some sauce in here. Just a little bit of sauce. And a little bit of cheese. I'm going to fold this over, like so. I'm going to tuck it under, and then I'm going to just roll it. That didn't work very well, but all right. Like so. How does that look? And we're going to put them on a can with parchment paper. Put a little bit of flour on top. The flour will keep it from sticking. Very good. All right, so we're gonna work on all this. We're gonna get them all rolled, because it's gonna take a little while. And I will show you what they look like when they're rolled. See you shortly. Julian, thumbs up. So this is the last one we're making, and I finally figured out how to roll these correctly. So I figured I'll just give a quick demonstration. After it's flat, we're gonna put some sauce, a little bit of sauce. We're gonna add some cheese. You can use string cheese if you have it. What I found the best way to roll this is tuck it under and roll just a little bit. And now see how it's open over here? Tuck this in a little bit, tuck this in a little bit, and then roll to kind of seal it, just like so. And that should work beautifully. And I have to get some egg wash to brush them, and I will be back in a second. So I have 2 egg yolks over here, and we're gonna just brush these with, I'm gonna show you how to do one, Julian, and then you're gonna do the rest. You're just gonna brush it lightly with some egg yolk. And what the egg yolk is gonna do is it's gonna give it a beautiful golden brown color when we bake it. Okay? Just like painting. You like to paint?
Yes.
Go ahead. All right, very good. And now go on to the next one. And we'll see you in a few minutes. We're on our last one, and Julian is just finishing up. Go ahead. Julian's just finishing up brushing our pizza rolls. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put them in a 375-degree oven for 12 to 17 minutes, I'm guessing, but we will see. And I will show you what they look like as soon as they come out of the oven. And Julian, what's the best part about these coming out of the oven?
They're going to be delicious.
Exactly. You gotta look at the camera.
They're going to be delicious.
Good. I'm here with Julian, and our pizza rolls have been in the oven for right about 15 minutes, and I believe they're done. So I'm going to take them out. Ooh. They look pretty good. What do you think, Julian?
They look delicious.
All right. The ones where the cheese came out, they weren't closed properly. So if you make these, you got to really make sure that they're closed. I'm going to put these on a plate, and I'll show you what they look like in a couple minutes. Our pizza rolls came out of the oven. I put them on a plate so you can see what they look like. And now comes the best part. We get to eat them. Go ahead, Julian. Take one. Well, I don't know. You're gonna put it on your plate. I'll give you a little bit of sauce in there. There, actually, I'll put some sauce on your plate so you can dip it. Okay?
Hey.
I'm gonna try one too, because I love pizza. Good try without the sauce. So how is it, Julian? Really, really, really good. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.